Here's a list of 10 mysterious places on Earth that harbor enigmas arguably deeper and older than those surrounding Area 51, based on the provided search results. 1. Nazca Lines, Peru. Mystery. These are massive geoglyphs etched into the desert over 2,000 years ago, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. They are so large they can only be fully appreciated from the air. Theories. Their purpose remains unknown, with theories ranging from astronomical calendars and religious rituals to messages for extraterrestrials or even ancient airfields. The precise methods of their creation without aerial technology also baffle experts. 2. Easter Island, Rapa Nui, Chile. Mystery. This isolated island is home to nearly 1,000 massive stone statues, moai, some weighing over 80 tons. The mystery lies in how they were transported across the island without modern technology and why the civilization that created them declined. Theories. Theories include that the statues were walked using ropes, or that extraterrestrial assistance was involved. The societal collapse is attributed to resource depletion, climate change, or rats. 3. Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. Mystery. This area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico is infamous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and planes. Theories. Explanations range from magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, and methane gas eruptions to more fantastical ideas like extraterrestrial activity, wormholes, or the location of Atlantis. Despite studies, no definitive answer exists. 4. Fairy circles, Namibia. Mystery. These are millions of perfectly circular, barren patches surrounded by grass in the Namib Desert. Their formation remains unexplained. Theories. Scientific proposals include termite activity or plant competition for water. Local legends attribute them to supernatural beings or dragonflies. 5. Vibes there. Mystery. This is a massive, circular geological formation nearly 50 kilometers in diameter, visible from space. Its perfect concentric rings appear almost artificial. Theories. Initially thought to be an impact crater, it is now believed to be a deeply eroded geological dome. Some theorists passionately link it to the lost city of Atlantis due to its matching description. 6. Island of the Dolls, Isla de las Muñecas, Mexico. Mystery. Located in the canals of Xochimilco, this island is covered with hundreds of decaying, eerie dolls hanging from trees. Theories. The dolls were hung by a former caretaker to appease the spirit of a drowned girl. Visitors claim the dolls whisper, move, or blink, contributing to its creepy and haunted reputation. 7. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Mystery. A waterfall of deep red water that seeps from the Taylor Glacier, staining ice. Theories. The color was originally a mystery but was eventually solved. It comes from iron-rich, salty water that oxidizes when exposed to air. However, the subglacial ecosystem hosting ancient microbes remains a subject of intense scientific intrigue. 8. Plain of Jars, Laos. Mystery. Thousands of massive stone jars, some weighing several tons, are scattered across the landscape. They date back over 2,000 years. Theories. Their purpose is unknown, but theories suggest they were used for burials, storing food and water, or had ritualistic significance. 9. Crooked Forest, Poland. Mystery. This forest contains about 400 pine trees that have a peculiar 90-degree bend at their base. Theories. Explanations include human manipulation for furniture or shipbuilding, heavy snowfall, gravitational anomalies, or genetic mutations. The true cause remains unsolved. 10. Gates of Hell, Darvaza Gas Crater, Turkmenistan. Mystery. A fiery crater in the desert that has been burning continuously for over 50 years. Theories. It was created accidentally by Soviet geologists drilling into a natural gas pocket. To prevent methane leakage, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out quickly. The enduring flame and its eerie glow make it a mysterious sight.